Hi, this is Richard C. I'm a math tutor here at Wyzant and answering a question submitted by a student. This is a very classic question, a ball being thrown in the air and hitting the ground. Unfortunately, they missed the, when I cut and pasted the question, the function didn't come across. So I'm going to start by writing in the function for the height of the ball at time t. So we're given that h of t is equal to negative 16 t squared plus 76t. I think it's useful to have a little graph so that we can see what's going on. So here's time, here's height, and at time 0, you can see when t is 0, h is 0, there's no height because t is 0, this term goes away, this term goes away, and so we're starting at 0, 0, and a, which is the leading coefficient, is negative here. This is a parabola in standard form, or a quadratic equation in standard form, so this is going to be a squared plus b squared plus c. I'm sorry, a squared plus at squared plus bt plus c. Excuse me. So a here is negative 16, b is 76. Okay. So it's going to be thrown up in the air, and then it's going to come back to land again. And the question is asking, what's the maximum height that this ball reaches? So basically, we need to find the vertex of this parabola. Okay. So let's use the magic formula, which I'm going to put in red. Something that I really strongly urge you to memorize is something I'm going to be putting in red. I always put that in red. So the equation of the axis of symmetry here is t equals negative b over 2a. So let's plug that in to the problem at hand. So, oops, I meant to change the color back to black. So t is negative b, so that'd be negative 76 over 2a, so that'd be 2 times negative 16. And when I put that in my calculator, I get 76 over 32. And that gives me a time of 2.375 seconds. So there I am. And so really all I need to do now that I've found that this x value here is 2.375 seconds, all I need to do is plug that in to the function for the height and get the height, and then I'm done. So let's keep going. So I just need h of 2.375 here, and so that's negative 16 times 2.375 squared plus 76 times 2.375. And you just put that in the calculator, you're going to get negative 90.25 plus plus 180.5, and add those two things together, and you're going to get 90.25 feet. And that's our answer. That's the height of the ball at its maximum height. Now, this equation was discovered by Sir Isaac Newton, who is probably the most important person to have ever lived, in my opinion. And so you're going to see this formula and over again in algebra, and then you'll see it again, possibly in pre-calculus, definitely in calculus. And if you ever take physics, you'll see this over and over again. So this is an equation you should just get comfortable using. It's just a parabola opening down. And we're using just standard techniques here. We're not using anything fancy to give us the height of the ball at its maximum value, which is 90.25 feet. Try to remember this formula, negative b over 2a, to get the x value of the axis of symmetry here. And that's all you really needed. There's a lot more to know about parabolas. Obviously, I can't go into all of that. We're supposed to keep our answers direct. So that's the direct answer. Okay, that's it for today. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.